Tools, Bing Webmaster Tools. For Bing Webmaster Tools, make sure you must have linked your account to Google Analytics. Then link your account to Bing to Google Webmaster to make sure you must have linked your account to Google Analytics. Then link your account to Google Webmaster Tools before you do the Bing Webmaster Tools. So how do you do this? How do you do the Bing Webmaster Tools? You have to create an account first. Once you create an account, once you create an account, then you click on URL inspection. Then you put the link here at the top. Then you click on inspect. Okay. Let me link another account. Add a website. Basically, if you're trying to do it for the first time, you'll be on this page, not this page. Then once you're on this page, you click on import. Then you click on continue. Then you click on the email. So you import. Once you're done importing data, then you pick the website URL. Uh, okay, this is the URL. What do you do? This is the. because I'm-
There music videos, gospel videos. I will send the links to you. So you now have to download it. You put it in
Okay,
the memory card for me.
okay, I have one.
But it's from YouTube, you will download it.
No
So I'll
problem.
be sending the links to you.
I've not seen the. I've not
You've not
seen
seen it. And they told me they take me to pass. Let me confirm. Where are you going to be tomorrow?
tomorrow. I'll be lucky.
I will get it.
So you click on expert to submit the link. You click on expert. You put your website domain name here. That's the link. The URL. Then you click on expert. As you can see, the inspector is not known to Bing. So what do? You request indexing. You submit. Your submission so we will review. So basically, this is how you submit your website to Google. This is how you submit your website to Bing. This is how you submit your website to Bing. Um, and you can continue with the rest with all this to the end. So don't forget to do that of Google and Bing because those search engines they're very important. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to Brown White Pages YouTube channel. This is how to do search engine submission. Is like, share, comment, and comment for the kind of comment with the title of the kind of videos you like for me to create and publish by.